Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Thanks for your love and support. Today I am here to review a book, The Night in Lisbon by Eric Maria Remarque. Well, my first book review video was on the first book of this sequel, All Quiet on the West Front by Eric Maria Remarque. And The Night in Lisbon is the second book of this sequel by Eric Maria Remarque. Well, to speak about the book, the first thing at the time of Second World War, when in Europe there have a lots of travel and war, every European is trying to go to America to live a peaceful life. At that time, when he was standing in a port looking at a ship, and a stranger offering to tickets, and the condition was that you have to spend the night with this stranger and have to listen all the life story of this stranger. What have in his life that he is trying to say, and why he is that much alone that he needs to offer to token of his happiness to a stranger just to say his life story to him. That's really a matter of thing, and that's how the story starts. Well, the person who is offering the tickets, he is a politician of Germany, and he was anti-Nazi. That means he was against Hitler, and he was trying to stop the war and keep peace in Germany and Europe. And that's why Nazi was trying to kill him, and he is running away with his wife. Well, in this review I am not going to say any name of any character, because at this novel none of the characters use their true name, as everyone related to this novel is running away from Nazi. That's why they are using different names to hide themselves. Well, to come to the story, the book is surrounded to that politician. The politician had a wife. With his wife, without his wife, he ran away for a long time. For many years, he ran away, and after everything, all of the travels, he find two tickets of American visa. Now he have the token of happiness, or he has the hope to be happy in America. Then why he is offering his ticket to a stranger just to tell his story? What's happened to his life? Why he is so much sad? Where his wife? That's a question, and that's how the novel is surrounding to the politician. The politician tells every struggle, every feelings that his heart felt at the time when he was running away. Every struggle that he did with his wife, just in search for a peaceful life. Well, the best thing about the writer Eric Maria Remarque is that at the All Quiet on the West Front, plot was the First World War. The Night in Lisbon, the plot is Second World War. Every writer who writes books on the plot of war, they always write about politics, what happens, who wins, who loses, that types of stuff. But at this series, Eric Maria Remarque tried to portray the struggle of general people, how they could feel. Because it's not a war, it's just not a fight in a battle or a battleground. The whole country, whole continent has to suffer just because of this war. And that's how, as All Quiet on the West Front, he portrayed the struggle of some friends, how they join in military, how they suffer, how they constantly losing their friends by different circumstances, how they was failing. And the book, The Night in Lisbon, he said how a politician spent his life at the time of war, when he is against the war and his opponent is Nazi. It's really tough for him to survive, and give a message to the society. And it's the book is not that much related to how he take action to stop the war, what he should have done, what he shouldn't did. It's not like that. It's the very general life of this politician. What's about his family? In today's world also, there have a lots of politicians that did a lots of political actions, and we knew about it. But what about their family? How their family going to react? They are going to survive. They are kind of mistreated, and obviously they face a lots of struggle because of this politics, and this struggle is portrayed in this book. So to learn the struggle and to learn a book that really surprises you, and a book that never lose your hope and never going to disappoint you, is a kind of book is The Nightingale by Eric Maynard. Hope some of you will read it. It's my humble request to all of you to read this book. I think from there we have a lot of things to learn. So it's my request that some of you may read this book. Thank you.